Welcome to Access Granted. Today, we're diving into Level 1 of the Hack This Site Basic Challenges, famously known as the Idiot Test. If you're new to hacking or just love a good challenge, you're in the right place. This level may seem simple, but it's a great reminder that even basic tasks can teach us valuable lessons. Your mission is to find the hidden password and use it to move on. Let's get started. To uncover the password, you'll need to inspect the page source. Here's how you do it. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. Hit Command F to open the search box. In the search box, type password. Look for the comment that contains the password. Here's what you'll find. The first few levels are extremely easy. Password is 610F30B1. We've found the password, 610F30B1. Copy it and paste it into the password box on the Hack This Site challenge page. Click Submit, and if you've entered it correctly, you'll see a congratulatory message. Even though this challenge is basic, it's a great exercise in getting comfortable with exploring and understanding source code. This skill is crucial for identifying hidden information and vulnerabilities in more complex scenarios. Remember, every small victory in hacking builds your skills for tougher challenges ahead. Stay curious and keep exploring. And that's a wrap for Basic Level 1. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Access Granted for more hacking tips and challenges. Next up, we'll tackle Basic Level 2. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Hit the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest videos. See you next time.